Hi everyone, today I would like to read a story to all of you. The story that I will read today is Eating Well, Lisa and More Common Sense. This story written by Louis Veltri Alamy and Paula Soloway. This story is a read from the Skill for Success Reading and Writing book. Yeah, there's this stories we talk about the three tips of how to select the food to consume and it make our body is healthy. So listen carefully. This is the it's very good story. In this story said, food is life. We eat it to grow, stay healthy, and have the energy to do everyday activities. The food we consume make all of these things possible, but not the food is created equals. Studies have shown, for example, that children who eat a nutrient breakfast do better in school than those with a poor diet. The well-fed child is able to pay attention longer, remember more, and participate more actively in class. Research has also shown that adults who have a healthy diet prefer better in on the job and miss fewer days of work. The findings then are clear. Because our food choices affect our health and behavior, we must do more than just eat. We must eat well. For many people today, thought making healthy food choices is not easy. So how do we make healthy choices? Michael Pollan is a professor at University of California, Berkeley, who has written many books about eating well, including the bestseller in defense of food. In his opinion, our food need to be defended against needless complication from nutrient science and from the food industry. According to Poland, we need to stop reading labels and listening to their so-called scientific experts. Instead, he offers some simply yet practical tips for eating well and staying healthy. So after this, I will talk about the three tips about selected food. Tip 1. Eat food not too much, mostly plant. In other words, says Polly, only eat real food or things your great grandparents would recognize as food, making fruit and vegetables your main source of food and limit your meat intake. And when you eat, says Pauline, do so in moderation. He quotes the Okinawan people in Japan who have an expression hara hashibu, eat until you are 80% full. Tip 2. Get out of the supermarket whenever possible. Shopping for meat or daily products at the market is probably okay, but a supermarket in is also full of items like instant noodles, diet sodas, and similar products. The ones that aren't good for us. Instant, instant. Try to shop at farmers market or local store when you can. The food there is fresher and healthier. For tip 3, Poland says that eating is not only about physical health and nutrition. Food is also about pleasure, about community and family. In other words, choosing the right food to eat is only the first step. Learning how to cook and sharing the meal with others are also important part to eating well and begin healthy. Thinking like Michael Pollan is challenging the scientific approach to eating. It also helping people to reconnect with food tradition. In cities around the world, for example, urban garden, common sense, ancient times are coming popular again. On small places of land, neighbors are working together to grow fruit and vegetable. What are the benefits of this garden? Better nutrition for things. People have access to more fresh fruit and vegetables, especially poorer people who are less likely to less than in would it would in a supermarket, where it was probably driven in from farm or shipped in from another country. There are other benefits too. Working together in garden help people to exercise. It also promotes community and sharing. Urban gardens have also been used to teach children about food production and healthy eating. At the Edible Schoolyard, a program at the public school in the US, children learn how to plant and harvest fruit and vegetable. They also learn how to clean and prepare for a meal, a skill that they will able to use all their life. And best of all, because the children want to eat the thing they have grown, they learn to develop healthy eating habits. Ultimately, making healthy food choices and eating well do not have to be difficult. Doing simple things, changing your shopping habits, learning to cook, planting a garden, and limiting your taking of certain food can result in a better diet and healthier you. Bon appetit. So this is the end of story. I hope all of you will know already now how to select the food to consume and know how to teach your children to know how to cook by themselves and planting vegetable and the fruit that is be good for you, that it make you know like the vegetable that you are grown is don't doesn't have a chemical that is be good for your health. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for listening.